Okay, first we're going to simulate a configuration here to test on. So I'm going to provide you guys to look it at what my files look like. So here's my Nginx configuration. So it's very simple. We have a comment here for the server token, gzip on, and so on. So this is a very simple configurations. Now, what we're going to do is to uncomment or modify line. So how are we going to do that? First is uh, the command Z again here. I'm going to explain here to you what's the Z command said here after I type everything, and then okay, after in this line we're going to do something here again. We're going to search the word server name and then the sample.com, and then the my site. Okay, so going to close in it by open up the nginx config that I already shown to you guys, okay, in the cut. Okay, so what's the take here in the uncomment? So first is we uncomment the gzip, okay, gzip that we find here, and then we replace the domain name that we want to search the server name, and then replace to my site like that, and then uh, if you're going to observe that I put first the I underscore I mean hyphen I and then back up. So this is to back up the same name. Okay. So if you notice here, I have created another Nginx here backup. So I have an Nginx config, the original, and then we're going to uh, look at by side what's the servers what's the changes here. So if you can see here, the server name right now is replaced with my site from example, right? And then we uncomment the zip here on by removing the colon. So that's how the first task that we have done here. So right now, if you're going to insert something new line before a pattern, it's very simple. Server Z and then I, and then we're going to find the server word here, and then the I here, and then I'll put the name, the comment to out, something comment like that, comment sample. So this is the comment that we're going to put in this line in the nginx config. Okay. So if you're going to cut again the nginx, so you can see I put the comment example here after the gzip on. Okay. So that is how we're going to add a new line in our Z. So now we're going to add a line after the pattern. So adding a new directive after the root line. So very simple. So we're going to set again, and then we're going to use the the I parameter, and then look for the root here, and then A, and then this is the we're going to append the index uh, HTML, or we're going to put index-php like that, and then in the nginx config, simply like that. Okay. Oh, nginx. Let me. Yeah. Okay. We're going to cut again the nginx. You can see here I put an additional line here, append a new line here from, if you can see the original, where can I see? Probably I only put here the index HTML and then index PHP. Okay, so that's how simple it is how to append, insert a new line from our Nginx configurations. Now we're going to combine everything in a script. So if we're going to look at as a whole picture in a script, so this is how it works. I'm going to create a script vi nginx setting like that. Okay, I'm going to paste it all. So I have uh, reserve an variable here, which is nginx config, and then I'm going to copy the nginx config to backup, and then here is the following sed command that I'm going to do, like what I did in the past in my recent command. So I'll put it together so that you can see how it works, and then I simply hit echo on it for us to do uh, all the things that we declare here. So if you're going to save here, and then we're going to change mode first, the nginx setting. Okay, I'm going to run on it. It's still the same effect that we have done in my one by ones command that we have uh, done earlier. Okay, so it's successfully configured updated. So that is how the combine the script that we have done in command. So here's the takeaway again. So what we learn here is that sed can search and replace and edit configuration files dynamically, and we can also always create a backup before editing the system files. So this is also the great for, of course, for the DevOps automation, post deployment tasks. So I hope that the second video of the set uh, find helpful to you guys. This is also to extend what we learned in the past lessons. So again, um, kindly support me for this video if you like to subscribe and like so that uh, I can also provide any related topic like this. Okay. So I guess I'll see you in the next video.